The Galaxy Ring, our latest innovation in health, powered by AI. This is the pinnacle of unobtrusive health technology. Designed to be worn 24/7, the Galaxy Ring is lightweight and comfortable so that you can track your health throughout the day and the night. A true game changer when it comes to sleep monitoring. The Galaxy Ring includes 3 sensors that help measure your sleep, activity, heart rate, and more. And by continuously syncing with the Samsung Health app, it unlocks powerful, personalized health insights, all this with no subscription. Supporting this level of uninterrupted monitoring is its powerful battery, which lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Yeah. It's truly remarkable how our advanced sensors and a powerful battery are packed into this small form factor. Made from strong, lightweight titanium, you can wear this ring everywhere. We've conducted extensive research and experimentation to engineer the Galaxy Ring so it can withstand varying temperatures, humidity levels, and hundreds of charge cycles. The Galaxy Ring is truly a remarkable feat of engineering. We're proud to pack so much extraordinary innovation into our wearables, including the next device, designed for people with a passion for performance. Introducing the Galaxy Watch Ultra.
The Galaxy Watch Ultra is the ideal choice for adventure across different climates, temperatures, and altitudes. It's rugged and robust, engineered to withstand the stresses and impacts of a life lived to the max. And it looks great, ultra-modern and sleek. Building off our signature circle design for Galaxy Watches, we have added titanium cushion frames to increase durability. As a touring cyclist, I need a smartwatch that's durable and able to keep up with me on every level. Many of my trips take several days, so having a watch with a long battery life is essential. The Galaxy Watch Ultra delivers on this with its enhanced power management system, so I can go longer between charges. It lasts up to 100 hours in power-saving mode. This is possible through powerful optimization of hardware and software, like the 3nm application processor, an innovative big. LITTLE chip architecture, which is 3 times faster than the previous CPU. Our latest watches have even greater improvements in both power efficiency and performance. This is the first smartwatch powered by Wear OS 5 in partnership with Google. The combination of Wear OS 5 and our state-of-the-art processors make the Galaxy Watch Ultra a formidable companion for any adventure. The Galaxy Watch Ultra introduces our first precision dual-frequency GPS system, which uses 2 satellite signals with different coverages for minimal information loss and clear-cut accuracy. When I'm out on my bike, this GPS system is what helps me pinpoint my precise location. ensuring my navigation is spot on whether I'm pedaling through busy city streets or dense forests. But accurate location tracking is only the beginning. The Galaxy Watch Ultra offers state-of-the-art technology for athletes who really want to fine-tune their training programs. If you're a cyclist, taking your training to the next level begins with your functional threshold power, or FTP metric, which is effectively the maximum power you can sustain on a bike for an hour. It's like learning your speed limit, which can help you train more effectively. Now, traditionally, accessing your FTP took hours of effort to gather the data, followed by time-consuming manual calculations. However, with the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Samsung Health, you can get your personalized FTP by cycling for just 4 minutes. All you have to do is connect your smartphone to your bicycle's power meter. This extraordinary advancement is made possible by combining data analysis with Galaxy's AI-powered health technology, which also assists in planning your workouts more strategically. In order to provide these highly personalized insights, we have innovated to provide even more accurate tracking. The advanced bioactive sensor has been engineered to provide greater precision. It gives more accurate measurements of key health metrics, such as heart rate and oxygen saturation. The Samsung Health Monitor app provides advanced tracking capabilities, including blood pressure monitoring that is CE marked in the EU, and ECG, which has received US FDA clearance. And now, it's the first of its kind to be authorized by the US FDA for detecting signs of sleep apnea. A condition that, if left untreated, can deprive your organs of oxygen that they need to stay healthy. Thanks to our new sensor, we're now able to also provide your AGE index, a set of biomarkers that are vital in predicting potential long-term health risks. They are a key metric in understanding how diet and activity are impacting our health. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a quantum leap forward, and it's a dedicated companion for your day-to-day health. For athletes and performance fanatics, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is designed to elevate your outdoor lifestyle. With its durable design and cutting-edge sensors, it will help bring out your best performance for every adventure. And for those seeking a versatile, everyday health companion, the Galaxy Watch 7 is your perfect match. It provides a profound understanding of your biometrics and motivates you by encouraging everyday wellness. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will be available at $649 US, and the Galaxy Watch 7 will be available in a range of models, starting at $299 for the smaller Bluetooth version. They are available in 2 sizes, with Bluetooth and LTE connectivity. And finally, the Galaxy Ring. It's a revolutionary device that consolidates Samsung Health features into a sleek and lightweight design. It sets a new standard for wearable health, and it will be available at $399 US. These innovative wearables epitomize how Samsung Galaxy's bold new designs, powered by Galaxy AI, can transform your life and maximize your potential. And now, I'm very proud to unveil 2 extraordinary new products.
Galaxy Z6 series introduces Galaxy AI into our most powerful foldables. It's an outstanding feat of engineering, bringing you our most advanced technology. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is our slimmest and lightest fold yet. When closed, the cover screen is now wider and taller, providing a comfortable viewing experience. It's ultra-modern and ultra-sleek. When open, it's light, powerful, and resilient. We strive to find the optimal materials for every component. Great for the build, great for the design, but most importantly, materials to contribute to our vision of a sustainable future. We're committed to expanding the use of a wider variety of recycled materials in Galaxy devices while providing unparalleled product experiences. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 harnesses Samsung's latest research into materials and advanced engineering to deliver greater peace of mind. We've upgraded the display with new materials to provide our most advanced and durable screen ever. Let's take a look.
Craftsmanship is an art, a dance of precision and dedication. And Samsung engineers are masters, pouring their expertise into creating the Fold display, a meticulous blend of durability and flexibility. Samsung embarked on foldable display research in 2008, and after over a decade of innovation, introduced the first ever Galaxy Z Fold. It was nothing short of revolutionary. With each iteration, this revolution didn't just continue, it soared to unprecedented heights. The Samsung engineers relentlessly pushed the boundaries of technology and refined the foldable display. And now, with the new Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung has taken another giant leap forward. A display is made of multiple layers, and the quality of a foldable display is determined by how those layers come together to ensure flatness and durability. Samsung engineered a brand new shear thickening fluid, which adapts to different types of pressure, and coated it onto the display's protect layer. With this STF coating, they were able to remove some layers while maintaining its durability and improving flatness. The result? Galaxy Z Fold 6. An ultra-slim, yet incredibly durable device, setting new standards in foldable technology. This new display is stronger and brighter than ever, which means that it's also optimized for the ultimate gaming experience. The new wiring design minimizes the bezel and maximizes the screen real estate. With brightness boosted up to 2,600 nits, along with Vision Booster, the display automatically adjusts for optimal clarity, even in bright outdoor settings. Galaxy Z Fold 6 also harnesses ray tracing technology for a truly lifelike and vivid gaming experience. Samsung is working closely with world-renowned partners to expand Vulkan-optimized games, which helps users run heavy games on Galaxy Z Fold 6 with reduced device load. It's definitely a winner. Listening and responding to user needs, Samsung will continue to advance foldable technology to make displays slimmer, stronger, and brighter.
The large, immersive display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been a game changer since its debut. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 allows you to multitask efficiently, even on the go. And now, with the dual rail hinge structure and strengthened folding edge, the bumps of everyday life are minimized. With the power of Galaxy AI, we're proud to unfold a new era of productivity and creativity. Since the introduction of Circle to Search with Google in January, it's become a new, easier way for people to search, whether images, texts, or videos, with millions of people doing it daily. I use it all the time. I'm sure you can relate to a moment where you see someone wearing something you really love, like a pair of sunglasses. Circle to Search allows me to find a pair and even tells me where I can buy them. And I'm excited to share that Circle to Search is taking how we discover and explore the world around us to the next level. While traveling, have you ever been in a situation where the entire menu was in the local language you just couldn't understand? Now, with a simple long press, you can translate everything on the screen. And you can even just highlight an item to learn more about it. Circle to Search comes in handy for parents and kids as well. I'm sure some parents might recognize what's on the screen behind me. Homework time. Circle to Search can help you learn. You just circle a problem and step by step learn how to get the solution. It doesn't just give them the answer. Instead, it gives a clear and simple route to learning. It's designed to help people become independent problem solvers. And this kind of learning support is available on any device that supports Circle to Search. And it will be able to solve complex problems such as symbolic math in the near future. As AI tools continue to evolve to help us learn and explore, so do the ways we interact with technology, which should be simple, natural, and intuitive. Galaxy AI is multimodal, which means you choose the most natural way to interact with it. You can type in questions, or use the S Pen, point the camera, or use your voice. This is part of our goal to put you, the user, in charge of how you interact with these tools. We're excited to explore our future with partners like Google, who share our vision of AI as a powerful tool to help you every day. To tell us more, please give a warm welcome to Jenny Blackburn.
I am honored to be here with one of the most cutting-edge and innovative companies in the world. At the beginning of this year, we launched the Gemini app on Android. We're bringing our most helpful personal AI assistant right to your phone, there to help you anytime. And people have been using Gemini in so many ways, from learning about the world around them, to finding the right words, to generating images, even taking action with their favorite Google apps. And on Galaxy phones, you can just say, "Hey Google," to pop Gemini over your screen for quick help. With the new Galaxy Z Fold 6, Gemini is deeply integrated and optimized for the large screen, for even more help right when you need it. There are so many ways to get help from Gemini. You can talk, type, or use a photo. You can even use it with YouTube. Let me give you an example. I'm really excited for breakdancing in the Paris Games. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos of Sunny Choi, who's a breaker for Team USA, like this one, about her journey to Paris. Since Gemini understands context, soon it will provide relevant suggestions, like ask about this video. So I can say, what sport was she in before breaking? Gemini finds the answer in the video. Right, she started as a gymnast. On the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the large immersive screen is perfect for multitasking. So you can watch a video in full screen And soon, you'll be able to move the Gemini overlay to a side panel, so it can help you with what you're doing. I can't wait to watch Sunny this summer. In fact, it'd be fun to throw a watch party with my friends and family. Thanks to Gemini, what normally takes hours, I can now do in seconds. So I can say, help me plan a watch party for the break dancing competition in Paris this summer. I'd like themed decorations, food, and some party games. With deep integration across Google Apps like Gmail, Docs, Maps, Drive, and beyond, Gemini can do more for you through extensions. So it can help you take action, like, where can I get some French pastries in Seattle, Washington? Gemini works with Google Maps to finish the task. Gemini app is deeply integrated into Samsung Galaxy smartphones, and it's only getting better. It's now available in over 200 countries, and we're continuing to expand. I'm so excited for you to try these new Gemini features we're unlocking for Galaxy devices. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Jenny. We are so excited to be working with our friends at Google and can't wait to see how people supercharge their ideas with Gemini. As you've just seen, the large screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 combined with the power of AI opens up a whole new way to be productive. For example, Composer makes drafting emails easier. All I have to do is provide a short prompt, and Composer will draft a whole email for me. So if I say, write Jenny a thank you note for her amazing presentation regarding Gemini at Unpacked, by using a simple verbal or text prompt, Composer will generate a whole email with context-relevant information to get me started. I couldn't have put it better myself. This is multimodal, contextual AI in action, but it's only just the beginning. Even if you're a quick note taker, it doesn't hurt to have some assistance. The voice recorder is now integrated directly into Samsung Notes, so you can record, transcribe, and summarize all from a single app. Let's take these meeting notes here. Galaxy AI helps you transcribe the recording, even separating up to 10 individual speakers. The transcript and your notes automatically sync to the audio, so you can follow along while playing back the recording. You can also create a quick summary of the transcript right into Samsung Notes. Whether you're in the middle of a lecture or attending a meeting, you'll never miss an important discussion again. As you've just seen, the large display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is like having a portable workstation in the palm of your hand. This powerful device helps you discover, explore, and get things done. And now, with the power of Galaxy AI, we're proud to unfold a new era of creativity.
Hi, everyone. I'm Caleb, a digital magician. Welcome to my studio, where I turn my dreams into reality. Here on my digital playground, imagination has no boundaries. But it's actually when I step into the real world that I find my true inspiration. Join me under the stars, where every element around us can spark big ideas. For me, staring at the stars is a great way to be inspired. For example, I think these stars right here kind of look like a flower. Oh, and those ones right there they kind of look like a couple dancing. Oh, shooting star. Oh, okay. Flower, couple dancing. I feel like I already have some inspiration. Let's see what else we can find. Here, check this out. Oh, yeah, that looks great. I'm just gonna connect the stars real quick. Does anybody know what that constellation is? I'm gonna use Circle to search with Google to figure it out. Oh, they found the constellation. There you go. Check it out. Oh, or it could be kind of like a special landmark. Let me show you what I mean. Can add a couple lines over here and one over there. All right, so maybe I'm not the best at drawing, but maybe Galaxy AI can help us out. There we go. Amazing. It's the Eiffel Tower. Oh, and there's different options. Paris. Man, I wish I was there right now. Maybe I can be. With my Galaxy Z Fold 6, I love that I can create on the go. And just like that, I can jump into one of my creations. Inspiration can strike anywhere and anytime. All you need is your imagination and the right creative companion to bring your inspiration to life. My journey of discovery is how I unfold my world. Are you ready to unfold yours?
And I'm feeling alright now.
Wow, thank you, Caleb. You just saw Caleb create beautiful images of the Eiffel Tower from a rough sketch. This is a new Galaxy AI feature that we call Sketch to Image. It was created specifically to harness the power of AI to help bring your imagination to life. Simply sketch on a blank canvas. Galaxy AI understands what you're trying to draw and generates images in different styles for you to choose from. This also works on your photos. You can add real-life objects by sketching a rough outline. Take this photo of the River Seine, where we sketched a boat on the water. It's turned the sketch into a stunning image of a riverboat. Galaxy AI doesn't just help you create images, it can transform photos in your gallery too. Photo Assist identifies portraits and recommends how you can reimagine them in different styles. You just have to pick which one you like the best. Now, I think we've got the actor Sydney Sweeney in the audience today. Hey, Sydney, you there?
Hi, I'm over here.
Welcome to Unpacked.
Thank you.
We've used your portrait to generate a 3D image. Should we take a look? What do you think?
Oh, I love it. It's amazing they can take an image like this.
You look absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
As you can see, we have some incredible Galaxy AI features. And this is all thanks to our strongest AP to date. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has an NPU that is 42% faster than the previous generation, which handles generative AI tasks with ease. We've also ramped up the GPU, so you'll enjoy stunning graphics while gaming. And our CPU has been enhanced by 18%, which is better for carrying out all of your tasks. All of this is fueled by an optimized, more efficient battery that drives this powerful chip for extended performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 converts your ideas into action, helping you realize your full intellectual and creative potential through these incredible AI features. If we can achieve this level of performance with the Fold, don't you wonder what would happen if we applied the same principles to the Flip? Welcome to the world of AI-powered self-expression, the Galaxy Z Flip 6.
저희에게 팬은 그 누구보다 서로를 이해하고 또 언제나 응원을 주고받는 존재예요.
때로는 팬들과 소통하다가 영감을 받기도 해요.
무대를 떠올리면 여전히 설레죠. 거기선 뭐랄까 불가능한 게 없어진 느낌?
그래서 자꾸 꿈이 커져요. 우리의 음악이 사람들을 움직이고 어쩌면 세상을 바꿀 수도 있다고.
함께할수록 한계는 없어지고 꿈은 가까워질 테니.
So excited about the new song from Tomorrow by Together. Woo! As we just saw, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a powerful medium for self-expression. From design to construction, we've reimagined the Galaxy Z Flip 6 to deliver all the incredible innovations of Galaxy AI to our users, with uncompromised upgrades in hardware, starting with the camera. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a 50-megapixel wide sensor and a wide-ranging suite of AI tools, powered by the all-new Pro Visual Engine. With camera performance in line with the Galaxy S24, the details in your photos and videos will come to life with stunning clarity and vibrancy. This is all made possible by the Pro Visual Engine. It uses AI to detect objects, analyze lighting conditions, and isolate delicate facial features. This optimizes the image by making sure the face is properly lit and the skin tones are natural. It even sharpens tiny details like eyelashes to really make the image pop. Even when shooting images at a distance, details look stunning thanks to the camera's enhanced AI, which offers high-quality zoom performance of up to 10 times range. With the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it's easier than ever to capture photos and videos hands-free, thanks to the Flex Cam, a signature part of our foldable experience. It can sometimes be hard to get that perfect group shot, especially when you're as tall as I am. The new Flex Cam with Auto Zoom automatically finds the best scene for your shot by detecting the subject and zooming in and out before making any necessary adjustments. Now you can get everyone in the shot, and it's all hands-free. There are times when you wish you could savor special moments just a little longer. Galaxy AI gives you the ability to slow down time with instant slow-mo. The Pro Visual Engine intelligently generates additional frames based on movement, helping you enjoy each moment for longer. And now you can easily save and quick share videos that unfold in cinematic slow motion or upload them to your social media. These AI camera experiences put state-of-the-art image processing in the palm of your hand, all powered by an efficient new processor. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 packs more power into its compact design than any previous flip. It comes with the fastest and most power-efficient processor on a Z Flip yet. And with the inclusion of a vapor chamber for the very first time, performance is optimized, and the battery is able to keep up with you all day. And since you'll take it everywhere with you,
We fine-tuned the groundbreaking engineering behind our display and hinge to create our strongest flip yet. Like many of you, I'm always on the go. I love that the Flex window on my Galaxy Z Flip 6 lets me handle common tasks quickly and easily without interrupting my flow. I can check my energy score in Samsung Health, pay for a latte using Samsung Wallet, listen to my favorite tunes on YouTube Music, and even send text replies without opening the device. The Flex window, powered by Galaxy AI, suggests tailored responses based on context for quick and easy replies. But the Flex window isn't just about function, it's also about self-expression. It's a canvas to express your individuality. And what better way to do that than with your personalized wallpaper? You can now apply a host of AI-generated effects to your photos. I especially love adding live effects to my photos, which really stands out when I set it as my wallpaper. You can also personalize your flip with generative and interactive wallpapers, or even make them adaptive in real time. So if it's nighttime, it shows night. It can even adapt to the weather where you are. From raindrops to the gentle fall of snowflakes, it creates a unique, dynamic look to my device. The interaction extends to accessories, like the Flip suitcase, which gives your Flex window a whole new look. Powered by NFC technology, simply attach it, and it will seamlessly update your Flex window. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is super customizable and so fun to use, and designed to let you express your true self. By harnessing the power of AI, we're enabling more dynamic, intuitive, and effective ways to create and connect with one another. Communication is central to our lives, and Galaxy AI expands our ability to communicate with each other, helping you overcome language barriers instantly and effortlessly. Earlier this year, we introduced you to Live Translate. It's a game changer, providing real-time voice translations while you're on a call, both verbally and on screen. Now, I learned French at school, but I only speak un petit peu. Thanks to Live Translate, I can jump on calls with my French colleagues. And now, Live Translate will be available in 16 languages by the end of July, and 20 languages by the end of the year. And thanks to our commitment to provide AI to all, Live Translate will be supported on popular third-party messaging and calling apps. This is amazing, as it means free translations on free internet calls. What makes this feature so useful is that it works regardless of whether the other caller is using a Galaxy device or not. Translation isn't just for text and calls. We also need it when we're face-to-face. We introduced Interpreter earlier this year to help with that. But with Flex Mode on foldables, we've been able to take this to the next level. By using both screens, two people can have a conversation with instant translations, because the Flex window provides immediate on-screen subtitles. It's also great for lectures and meetings, where you need voice-to-text translations. And with our Galaxy Buds, you'll be able to hear voice-to-voice translations in real time. And because privacy is fundamental to good communication, we've specifically constructed Live Translate and Interpreter to be on the device. All translations of your calls and messages are handled securely, providing peace of mind. Galaxy AI is all about helping you to get things done, to create, and to communicate. And good communication starts with listening. So let's hear what our latest buds have to share.
The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro look amazing. That new blade light detail really makes them stand out. It's an iconic and sleek design to match ultimate comfort. Did you know that the human ear is as unique as a fingerprint? To develop the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, we undertook extensive research into the diversity of shapes common to the human ear. We then subjected that raw data to AI-powered analysis and computational design. This computational design process allowed us to make a quantum leap forward in wearability. But ear shape and fit are only one side of the story, because the way you wear your buds also impacts sound quality. For example, sometimes your buds can be worn loosely or tightly. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro monitor the fit using the built-in mics to measure sound leakage and dynamically adjust the sound curve and active noise cancellation for the best audio. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro deliver our most intelligent sound experience ever, whether you're listening to music or taking calls. The powerful built-in machine learning-based noise reduction engine will let you take advantage of super clear sound. Active noise cancellation on Galaxy Buds 3 Pro filters out disruptive sounds. For a seamless listening experience. And like many people, I love listening to music when I commute. But sometimes my journey is interrupted by intrusive noises, like construction. Did you hear how the noise went down? The adaptive noise control reduces unwanted background noise, so my music isn't spoiled. But what about sounds that need to be heard, like an ambulance? These sounds will be heightened by readjusting the balance between ANC and ambient mode to correspond to your surroundings. Nothing connects me to my feelings more than music. And when it comes to music, sound quality is everything. These are the best quality earbuds we have ever created. Let's explore. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro offer increased audio clarity with our advanced earbuds featuring enhanced two-way speakers and dual amplifiers. With separate controls for the woofer and tweeter, sounds can be independently adjusted for optimized sound. The ultralight and thin diaphragm of the planar tweeter accurately reproduces high trebles without distortion. Thanks to these new tweeters, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro supports twice the playback bandwidth of its predecessor. From deep bass to delicate highs, ultra-high quality audio gives a studio-quality listening experience with no distortion, direct to your ears. In other words, you get a rich bass response, and your music is clean and crisp. The enhancements to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are extraordinary. It is powerful tech in a compact package, delivering the ultimate studio quality sound that lets you experience music to its fullest, just as the artist intended. Together with the entire Galaxy ecosystem and Galaxy AI, they open up a powerful connected experience for entertainment, productivity, and more. And now, back to Anika.
Thank you, Malika. Thank you, Malika. As you've seen, the combination of Galaxy AI, ultra-modern and ultra-sleek design, and powerful engineering have given birth to some incredible products. For those who prefer an open-type design, Galaxy Buds 3 offers adaptive EQ and ANC without ear tips. And for those seeking a powerful leap in listening experience, there's the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They'll be available at $179 and $249 US, respectively. And now, with our new foldables, we're unfolding a new chapter of Galaxy AI. Discover new ways to express yourself with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Enjoy a stunning visual experience, AI features on the Flex window, and Flex mode for unmatched communication and creativity. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, experience unique AI features on a large screen. It promises to transform your productivity with style. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available starting at $1,099 and $1,899 US, respectively. And all of the products you've seen today will be available from July 24th. Our goal is to put the future in your hands, a future that's exciting, that's innovative, and secure. As part of our dedication to future-proofing our tech, Samsung guarantees 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates. We also plan to roll out the new Galaxy AI features we've announced today to select Galaxy devices by the end of the year. We want our users to benefit from the incredible advantages AI has to offer, but not at the expense of your privacy. So we've adopted a hybrid approach with a focus on maximizing on-device AI tools, especially where sensitive information, like conversations, are involved. That's why features like Live Translate and Interpreter are handled on-device. In the near future, multimodal and contextual AI will function as an interconnected ecosystem, enhancing your everyday life by performing complex and personalized tasks. Our on-device AI algorithms will develop a personal knowledge graph for each user, learning from your usage over time to provide progressively tailored services. Each personal knowledge graph will integrate multiple data points, understanding their context to offer a more personalized experience. For example, if you have a low energy score, Galaxy AI will analyze your schedule and suggest taking a break from your 7 a.m. spin class. This level of integration will be achieved through on-device, secure information analysis. Of course, some AI tools offer greater functionality when connected to the cloud. The Galaxy AI dashboard lets you control cloud processing, tailoring security settings to suit your preferences. Choose which feature to operate on-device or opt for cloud-based services. Your privacy remains in your control. As we continue to develop and expand both on-device and cloud-based services, we will work with industry-leading partners to provide our users with the most intuitive and useful AI tools available. To achieve a fully integrated AI approach, we're proud to collaborate closely with the Android team. And with that in mind, it gives me great pleasure to introduce Rick Oslo from Google to tell us more.
Thank you, Anika, and congratulations on this launch. I want to thank TM and the Samsung team for inviting me here to be a part of Unpacked. I'm thrilled to share what we have in store for Android and Gemini across the whole ecosystem. Android has always been about bringing computing to everyone in the world. And with the advancements in AI, we believe this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to transform what your phone can do, to make smartphones truly smart for everyone. This vision has been a driving force of our collaboration with Samsung. For well over a decade, we've worked together to innovate and push mobile computing forward. Our powerful software and services, paired with Samsung's powerful ecosystem of devices, have revolutionized the mobile experience for billions of users. And earlier this year, we brought Google Cloud's Gen AI technology to Samsung users around the globe. Another big step forward in our shared vision. As head of platforms and devices at Google, I'm deeply committed to this partnership. And together with Samsung, we're focused on delivering groundbreaking AI experiences to our users. We've demonstrated this joint commitment through the launch of Circle to Search with Google, a helpful new way to instantly search anything you see on your phone without switching apps. Circle to Search leverages Google's expertise to understand what's on your screen, from text to visuals, to deliver fast and accurate search results. And we're rolling it out to even more Galaxy devices later this year. Today, you heard from Jenny about new ways we're bringing Gemini, the most helpful personal AI assistant, straight to your phone. It's designed to be there whenever you need it, amplifying your creativity, streamlining your daily tasks, and making your life easier. Wherever you are on your Galaxy phone, just say, "Hey Google," to bring up personal AI assistants. Gemini is already available globally in countries like US, France, Korea, Japan, Brazil, and many more, and we're continuing to expand. We're also working hard to develop new capabilities. Soon you'll be able to ask specific questions about that YouTube video you're watching, get more help with planning, and take more actions across apps. As you saw at Google I/O, we're working on generative AI with real-time, multimodal natural language models. We're excited to work closely with Samsung to bring this innovation to you soon. And going forward, we plan to bring the best of Gemini's capabilities to Samsung Galaxy and other flagship devices in the Android ecosystem. The latest Galaxy foldables are the perfect example of the innovation that only Google and Samsung can deliver. We believe the power of AI will enrich daily experiences and supercharge your life, especially when combined with these amazing form factors. Looking forward, we're collaborating to bring next-generation experiences across Galaxy products, from smartphones and wearables to even future technologies, like the upcoming XR platform we've been working closely to develop in partnership with Samsung and Qualcomm for next-generation devices. And you'll want to stay tuned for that. It's an exciting new era in mobile computing, and we're thrilled to take our partnership with Samsung to the next level. Thank you, Samsung, for having me. Let's unpack the future together.
Thank you. I appreciate Rick and his team at Google for their constant partnership that fuels innovation and ignites new possibilities like our new XR platform coming this year. I'm also grateful to all of you who could join us today here in Paris, where culture meets innovation, home of the Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2024. We admire these athletes who defy their own limits to reach new heights. This spirit of relentless pursuit is also in our DNA. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are uncompromising in their power and performance and offer the world's most versatile and intelligent foldable experiences with Galaxy AI's hybrid intelligence for privacy and power. With Galaxy AI's seamless integration into a wider ecosystem of devices and services, doing things your own way has never been easier. Life opens up with Galaxy. Thank you.
Wow, that's all I have to say. And truly, Galaxy does open up life, doesn't it? That was really incredible, and I think we should begin the evening with a huge round of applause for that incredible launch. And of course, for all of you for being such a wonderful audience, and of course, all our audiences online. Now, while that was the live stream from Paris, we're about to unveil the all-new Galaxy right here, right now, for the India launch. All our online viewers and Indian audience, please stay tuned for the grand unveil. Ladies and gentlemen, trendsetters and newsmakers, I'm Archana Vijaya, and I'm absolutely ecstatic to welcome you aboard your greatest adventure yet at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024. Let's keep that energy going as we are about to witness the unfolding of a new era of technology powered by Galaxy AI. Now, what you just witnessed wasn't just a phone launch, wouldn't you agree with me? It was the doorway to a whole new Samsung Galaxy filled with unbridled curiosity, unlimited creativity, and unmatched productivity, including unrivaled gameplay, unfolded and waiting to be explored. An industry leader for over 2 decades, Samsung has been rewriting the rules of innovation and technology. But with Galaxy AI's introduction in January 2024, it has really pushed the boundaries of seamless connectivity and, of course, creativity. But Samsung's vision extends beyond communication. Galaxy AI has enabled us to imagine a world where creativity has absolutely no boundaries, a world where communication transcends language barriers, a world where learning becomes an academic adventure and everyday life is effortlessly seamless. The incredible teams, yes, that does deserve a huge round of applause, that's right. I have to give it to the incredible teams at Samsung and the Samsung Research Center that have meticulously designed Galaxy AI to empower next-gen thinkers, visualizers, and creators just as yourselves to unlock a new age of digital exploration. Now, opening the doors to a new frontier of mobile AI, Galaxy AI has shrunk the world and transformed it into a hyper-connected, pocket-sized adventure where distance is just a number. And the world no longer is a mystery, just an open book waiting to be discovered from the very palm of your hands. So creators, tech bloggers, gamers, partners, and of course, all our friends from the media, I ask you this. Are you ready to witness the ever-evolving power of Galaxy AI? You can do better than that. I'm going to ask you one more time. Are you ready? That's a whole lot better. The future certainly is here and is powered by Galaxy AI. Now, let's welcome Vice President, Product Marketing, MX Division, Samsung India, Mr. Aditya Babbar on stage to tell us where and how we can get our hands on the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Samsung India. Before we start, a quick note. You all must be wondering why these images. Well, if you would have been holding the all-new Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, you could have translated it into a language of your choice. Excited? Well, I am, guys. Good news is, all of us will have our hands on to the latest tech in just some minutes. But before we unfold, a few words on the year so far. Earlier this year, we started the AI story, where we turned can't into can. We changed the way India searched, edited, shopped, conversed. We changed everything. Imagine the scale of this transformative story. Every day, Circle to Search is used 340K times in India. Every day, Call Assist is used 48K times in India. Every day, Photo Assist is used 55K times in India. Wow, this is impressive. Thank you. Therefore, we are unfolding a new era of technology. But before that, here is a very, very special message from our President and CEO, Mr. J.B. Park. Can I have the message, please?
Namaste, India. At Samsung, every day is a celebration of innovation and excellence. And today, we are here to celebrate something special. This journey began earlier this year as we introduced Galaxy AI and reimagined the way smartphones are used, transforming can't into can today. We are taking another giant leap in the same journey as we present to you the all-new Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, powered with Galaxy AI. Yes, the much-loved Galaxy Foldables now come with the magic of Galaxy AI. Isn't that great? This innovation will elevate every moment of your daily lives, bridge gaps, and unfold future of limitless potential. But we didn't just stop at the Galaxy Foldables. We wanted to give our users a connected ecosystem that is intelligent. Introducing our groundbreaking wearables, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Watch 7, and Watch 3 series that are also powered by Galaxy AI. Special thanks to Samsung R&D Institute, India, Bangalore, for the immense contribution to the advancement of Galaxy AI. On behalf of the entire Samsung family, I wish our friends from the media and partners all the best for the future filled with the success. May this new era of technology open doors to unlimited possibility for all of us. The future of smartphone is here, and it is ready to unfold at your hands. Dhanyawad.
Now it's time to unfold the next chapter in our AI story here in India. With the all-new Galaxy Foldable, Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 powered with Galaxy AI. Well, you all must be thinking, what's the price? So, both the devices will be priced at Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be priced at starting at 164,999. Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be priced at 104,999. Well, wait. We have special offers for all the Galaxy lovers out there. So you can upgrade your old phone and get additional bonus up to 8,000 rupees. And also, if you don't want an upgrade, you can get a bank cash back of 8,000 rupees. Like me, you all must be thinking, what's more? Well, we are announcing for the first time ever Z Assurance Program for the ultimate innovation, the ultimate peace of mind. We are giving 2 times screen or parts replacement worth 14,999 at just 999 rupees for our Galaxy pre-book consumers. Thank you. We have some more goodies. For all the Galaxy S and Fold user, we are announcing a special 15,000 rupees upgrade bonus over and above of their device value. So now upgrading to the new Galaxy is extremely, extremely easy. You can upgrade from your Galaxy Fold 5 to Fold 6 at just 79,999. Okay, like me, you all must be thinking that this new watch, Galaxy Watch Ultra, is extremely, extremely innovative. It will be priced at 59,999. The Galaxy Watch 7 will be priced at 29,999. And the Galaxy Buds C series will start at 14,999. We know the customer the best. We have our ears on ground. So for all the Galaxy lovers out there, we are announcing for the first time with Foldable, a multi-buy program. With the new Foldable, you can get up to 18,000 rupees discount on Galaxy Watch Ultra and 7,000 rupees discount on your new Buds 3 Pro. or Buds 3. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to unfold the way you break languages barrier. Unfold the way you look things up with Circle to Search. Unfold the way you get the tone just right with Chat Assist. Unfold the way you get the perfect picture moments with Photo Assist. Unfold the way you make every moment magical with Galaxy AI. Unfold your story. Thank you very much.
Mr. Bupper, and of course, now it's time for the India launch, the time that we've all been eagerly waiting for. Are you ready for unlimited innovation? Yes, that's right. Limitless opportunities to explore the world with a newfound curiosity. Communicate without barriers and never ever be lost in translation. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has now come for the revolutionary forces behind seamless communication, boundless creativity, and next-level gameplay to take center stage. So hold on to your seats and sit tight, for you're now about to witness the power that is Galaxy AI infused into the Galaxy Z series. Now, let's unfold the new Galaxy together for the India launch, shall we? So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Galaxy AI is here. May I please invite Corporate EVP, Head of Division, Samsung India, Mr. Sun Choi, and Senior Vice President, Head of Sales and Marketing, Samsung India, Mr. Raju Pullan, and Vice President, Product Marketing, MX Division, Samsung India, Mr. Bupper, on stage to reveal the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z series. Bapper, for empowering us with the magic of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 and connected ecosystem. Hang on a second, Mr. Bapper. Can we please request you to come back on stage to unveil a very, very special segment that we have.
Okay, guys, let's unfold the new era. Let's bring the all-new Galaxy Z Fold and Z Fold 6 to India. Let's the demo zone open up, unfold the new era. Thank you very much. Enjoy the Galaxy AI.